Okay, so in today's video, we are going to install a walk-in closet organizer. And the one that we have chosen to use today is this one right here. This one is made by Rubbermaid Configurations, and I bought it on Amazon. I'll put a screenshot right here. And then this is a no-cut custom fit. All right, let's swing it around to the other side. So it's 4 to 8 feet. And in this case, we have just under 7 foot. So we'll have to do one of the 6-foot configurations. And so we are going to choose the third one, this one right here, as our configuration. And we'll see whether we can do it wall to wall and use up that extra space. If not, there'll just be a little space on each side, which is totally fine. All right, let's get started. Instructions or something. Do you have that tape measure over there? Take it first.
Yep. So,
What did I do with that thing?
we're gonna put
So
this
this
together.
first. What's the next thing?
So the next step is we got the rails. So we got the second rail on there. Hang uprights. Side B. Well, let's see here.
But what's the difference in the shorts and the longs?
We got another 4 foot. And these are gonna be your short ones here, but you're big.
So you hang it like this. But this needs to hang 2 inches from the edge.
That way you know. What? Oh, you want to go behind?
I'm just trying to figure out how much it's going to bother me if I don't. You know what I mean? Every time I bump against it, it's going to tingle something like it's going to bother me. It really is. It's going to bother me. Yeah, that's what we're at. Oh yeah, much better. Alrighty, so far we have our 4 rails up and we are ready to put the rest of it together. Alright, we will continue. I like it a lot.
Yeah, amazing.
Like it a lot. again.
What? Not keeping the box? What?
What happened to you? What's wrong with you? I don't know.
All right, here we go. We have shelving. We have places for clothing. We have it all, I believe. And of course I have an LED light at the top. Yes, it is very bright. And then we're done. Oh wait, there's still one little piece to put up. Whoop, that one. All right. One last piece.
Woohoo!
Wait, did you?
Did I cut the wrong side? Is that it?
I want you.
Oh, did I go too far?
Nah, you made too big.
I made it too big?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me.
I think I might be able to make it for you.
I can.
I mean,
There we go.
I might have said it was too big, right? Well, it's too big. We just need to cut that.
Sorry, I went
Cut all
crazy.
Cut it just to the R. Like cut the R off. All right. So this is very good. Very good.